Cut my wrists and black my eyes. What up, YouTube fam? Just chilling. Welcome to the next episode. Feels so great to be back in kind of a routine. It was nice to be away for the weekend and obviously celebrate Tim and Tanisha's wedding. But it also feels good to be back in routine and getting stuff done and back to work, so to speak. Especially being without power really screwed me up, hence why the last episode just went up. It's been a couple days longer than I planned on it going. It had been a couple days further out than I planned on uploading. But hey, life happens. I'm still here, and this is real life, guys. Like, I look like a mother of 3 driving a Honda Odyssey, and I want to speak to your manager now. This is what freshly washed looks like. Washed and not gelled, obviously. It is long. This is the longest it's been since probably the 8th grade. Just chilling though. Gonna do a little bit of reading. Look at how beautiful she is, huh?
Had no lipstick on.
And her blazer. So what? You look so cute.
Thanks, babe. Wanted to be cute today. Wanted to wake up early.
And we gotta go. It's past 6. My stylish wife to be, looking all profesh. I'm tired.
Two.
Silent morning.
Come on.
Life is crazy, man. Honestly, it really is. I'm just waking up. Just 2 quick things I wanted to talk about. What you think about really does come about. Whatever you put your focus and intent on happens. If you think, new opportunities are gonna come your way, new opportunities are gonna come your way. If you think more problems are gonna come your way, guess what? More problems are gonna come your way. It's just like going on Google. Alright? Whatever you search for, you will find. If you put into, the search bar on Google, why does the NBA suck? You'll find all the reasons why the NBA sucks. If you put into the Google search bar, why is the NBA the best basketball league ever? You'll find all the reasons why. So your mind's like Google. Whatever you put into that search bar, you will find. Whatever you put your focus on, you will find. And I love the NBA, just for the record. Mainly, the Celtics. I'm a big Celtics fan. If you guys didn't know, now you know. I've had a lot of opportunities come my way recently because I've been looking for them and because I've been focusing on them. So I'm very grateful for that. So thank you to God, the universe, for putting everything in my path. And a lot of times when you focus on opportunity, you gotta realize it's there. Sometimes opportunity will knock and you won't answer the door because you don't realize it's an opportunity. 1, because you're just not consciously aware that it's there. Or 2, it looks like something else. It looks like a foot of snow and a shovel. You know what I mean? Opportunity a lot of times looks like hard work. And you gotta be able to recognize when it's an actual opportunity. So be open to things. If you're on the fence, the way I look at it is, you don't know if something's gonna be right for you or a good fit or what have you. At least try it out and then you'll know. Second thing I wanted to talk about this morning was how grateful I am for my parents and my upbringing and my in-laws and all the adults who kind of have influenced me and shaped my life. I wouldn't be the person I am today without my mom and dad, obviously. And as different as I am from my siblings, for the most part, I I kind of think of myself as the black sheep of the family because, and over the years, you know, my brother has done very well for himself. My sister is doing very well for herself. And I consider myself doing okay because, I mean, some people consider me doing well, maybe, but I'm nowhere near where I want to be in life, period. Like, I'm like, for lack of a better word, I feel like a bum sometimes, because I'm not even close to where I want to be. But, yeah, I wasn't born a millionaire or anything like that. My family wasn't wealthy. We're, middle class. My parents worked multiple jobs to, support me and my siblings. But we never went without, and we never were, mistreated or abused or anything like that. And I was just talking to one of my clients yesterday about a couple of children she took in from her church because they were abused. And we need more people in this world like that. One of the kids is only 5, and I guess he's having a ton of problems at school. He got kicked out of the YMCA because that's all he knows. All he knows is conflict and fight and screaming and bad things. And so, like, it really puts stuff in your perspective. Like, sometimes you might get annoyed with your parents or your guardians or your family members, but I think for the most part, when we get annoyed with them, we take them for granted, and we don't see, like, the bigger picture. Like, after I sat down and had that conversation with that person, I'm like, wow, like, I'm really grateful for the way I was raised and my parents and, the job that they did with me, because I consider myself a good person. And even now, like, my in-laws, teaching me their values, and I know how well they did raising their daughter. I mean, she's probably the best person I know on this planet. So, like, we should all be grateful. Obviously, I know probably not everyone watching this is going to agree with me, which is okay. And if that's the case, I'm sorry. Because I don't know your situation. Every situation is unique. But I know that I'm super grateful. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I love you so much for doing what you did for me. Working all those jobs, all that overtime. Making sure I had the best Christmases. Making sure, I got everything that I wanted for the most part. And, all the sacrifices you made for me. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you to my dad for giving me all those, sports talks and lectures and teaching me, and just trying to make me better. Same with my mom. I'm so lucky, so fortunate. Thank you guys. I love you. And I'm going to end the vlog here because I rambled on. I think this would be a good spot to end it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Call your mom and dad today. Your parent, your guardian, your uncle, whoever. Call someone and tell them that you're grateful for them and you love them and that you appreciate them. That's my challenge today. Alright, so call them, tell them you love them, tell them you appreciate them, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in a comment below once you've made that phone call. Thank you so much again, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.